Let's see Lillie-Mae in jail. Let me out.
Say to the camera, let me out.
Let me out.
Harley? Let me out, Angela.
Are you a cat? Cat behind bars. Tentegorra Park near Cartagena.
And it's lovely and warm.
And it's lovely and warm, very warm. We've just had a picnic, haven't we?
And it was absolutely beautiful. And the kids are in jail.
Fishies coming to get your feet. He's coming to get your little toe. Fishies coming from Lillie-Mae.
I was tickling your toes. Okay. Lily!
Careful.
Oh, hang on, sorry. Wait, Nana, what is this hand for me? Come back here.
Not with this. We want to do what?
Come here. You ready?
Yeah.
Now go to the next part.
Hey?
Now turn it. Meant to turn it around.
It's on.
No, but you meant to turn it around. I do it.
To see what? It's fiddling.
Are you? I'm higher than everyone.
Yay! Harley! Harley! How old are you, Harley?
4.
Harley is 4. So she has to be 4 to go on the pirate ship.
Yes.
So she is actually 4 in a month's time. So we had to tell a little white lie.
Harley, you coming in the big pool? Come on then. She's over here. You're going to come and show Angela you do a big jump. Can't hear me while she's under the pool.
Do you want to jump in, Harley? Harley! Oh, that sun's burning my shoulders. Hello, it's me.
Oh, she's behind you.
Right, hold on. Ooh. I don't know if I got that or not. Let me stand back a bit and you do it again.
Right, stand there. And you've got to jump for Angela, okay?
Not to
Not
me.
to Angela, jump to Mummy.
Jump to Mummy.
Ready? No.
No running. Because it's slippery. No. You nearly jumped on those little concrete things.
Smash and go boom.
Careful. Don't dive.
Harley.
No running. Harley, don't run. You'll get bit or you'll slip and hurt yourself. Yay, well done.
I'm going again.
Oh,
No, Harley.
who's behind me?
You're not a monkey.
Who's behind me? Shall we watch Lily jump?
There goes Lily's jumping.
Oh, for God's sake. Talk about keeping the camera dry.
What?
I say keeping my camera dry. Be careful, she's not going to come and tell you off. Oh, it's a ball.
This side. No. This side. No running. No running.
Right.
And don't do a cannonball.
So, as I say, we're at Tentegorra Park again, near Cartagena. We're on our last week actually, it's Tuesday, and we'll be going home Friday. So we're having our last trip out with my niece Becky and great niece Harley, and of course granddaughter Lillie-Mae. So we will catch you up in one of the other pools. So see you later. Bye.